we stand before you today, perturbed by the event that have happened in our county for the last few days. As you are all aware, the much anticipated judgment in the case of Livingstone Kunini Ntutu, who is a brother to the governor of Narok County, versus the county government of Narok, EL number 21 of 2021, was delivered on the 6th March this year. In the said judgment, the court gave Livingstone Kunini land measuring 4,700 hectares inside the Masai Mara National Game Reserve, a renowned game reserve, which is our national heritage. And actually, to be very precise, from the boundary where the park starts, it goes almost 11 kilometers inside the park. It makes one of the wonders of the world. That is, and the government surveyors who brought evidence to the court showed that the land that the said judge gave to Ntutu falls inside the Masai Mara, as shown by the map that we can even provide to you. All the evidence brought to the court showed that there were only 154 parcels and no one got 1,000 of acres of land. That is in Koyaki group ranch, which was an education section. All the evidence brought to the court showed that there were only 154. I've said that. Further, you know that the judge in his erroneous judgment, I repeat, erroneous judgment, stated that the county of Narok should pay Kunini Livingstone Ole Ntutu all the revenue collected from the camps and other facilities within the said area since the year 1997, which may total 2 trillion of shillings or billion of shillings. In fact, in our honest estimation, it will go somewhere way above 30 billion Kenya shillings. Plus the damages and the interest can even go up to 40 billion. You know all what that means. It means that the county may be auctioned, or we may live to pay the so-called damages for the rest of 200-300 years. This may bankrupt our county. All the money allocated to the county will be used to settle the alleged debt to one individual, Kunini Ole Ntutu, and we shall have no resources for our people whatsoever. It also means that the taxes will be used to settle the judgment. We all know who Living Kunini Ntutu is. I've already said that. The governor should come out and tell us clearly the next steps he intends to take to set aside the said judgment. We should not relent and give our land to an individual in light of the erroneous judgment. We should stand up and protect our resources, and we should send a very strong message to those involved that we shall not cede any inch of our land. The judge did not address the issues for determination raised before him by the parties. That include the district, the director of survey, who really demonstrated so well in the court. We were in court all through, and all witnesses stated that there were only 154 parcels. We are even concerned that at one point, our media people were chased away and denied to cover the case. It means that it was a predetermined one. The assistant director of survey, as already mentioned, gave his testimony.